po akong walang father. Kung saan siya, kung anong reason, hindi ko po alam. Pero never in my life naman po na naramdaman ko na nag-iisa ako. Kasi nandyan po, may guardian po ako at si mama.
Papa ko naman po, umalis po siya para po makapag-aral kami. Nakikita niya pong nahihirapan kami, kaya po nagdesisyon po siyang umalis. Pag po nakakakita po ako na mag-ama, para pong namimiss ko po yung papa ko, tsaka po din yung kuya ko.
Maaga po kaming iniwan ng tatay namin. 36 years old siya. Hindi mo kami magkakapatid. Ako yung panganay. So, parang ako na rin yung tumayong tatay nila. Itong contest na sinalihan namin para to sa pamilya namin.
Proving that 3 is never a crowd, give it up for the Ultimate Dreamer!
Some people live for the fortune. Some people live just for the fame.
Some people live for the power, yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people think that the physical things define what's within. I've been there before. The lights of all was so full of the superficial. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, babe, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just want everything, and everything means nothing if I ain't got you. You with me, baby.
Cooling it down with some smooth tunes is the Ultimate Dreamers. Dance Scouts, what do you say?
I know it's hard being on stage, but kayong tatlo, when the curtains open, parang nakasalpak lang kayo doon, and you were not relating to each other, you were not connecting to the audience, you were just singing, like you were asked to sing, na some of you pa habang kumakanta, yung mata dito, yung walang focus. So I wish you connected more to each other and you connected more to the audience, and it did get better towards the end, but sana you started off that way na and then mag-heighten yung performance nyo.
Okay, I love your voice. Napakaganda ng boses niyong tatlo. I feel as if I'm like listening to someone that's performing in a lounge or in a show. But para sa akin, siguro kailangan nga yung sinabi ni Lucy, pakita nyo yung teamwork nyo. Yung collaboration nyo dapat maging mas obvious. But very, very nice voice, and you really have a lot of potential. Kaya, so yun lang yun, di ba? And aside from that, everything was great.
Ang ganda nitong girl na ito. Kamukha ka ni Prem.
Type mo.
Ay, hindi. Never ako na... Ha? Kikis?
Sige.
Kanina ka pa nakatingin eh. Hindi
Pakita.
Never ako naging tomboy in my life.
Litong-lito na talaga. Sabi niya ni Tuesday, eto na talaga yung senyales ng dilubyo. Pag ginawa mo to.
Hindi lang gagandahan lang ako sa kanya. How I miss ganyan din ako. naguluhan lang ako sa outfit, iba-iba. Ay, sabi ko. Kasi ang feeling ko pag nag-trio, dapat may pag-uusap yung damit. At saka yung tingin na parang wala kayo, para kayo walang pag-uusap na gano'n. Ganda rin yung babaeng ito. Parang gano'n dapat. May pag-uusap, may tinginan. Kulang lang kayo sa gano'n. Pero, pagbibigyan ko ng grado from 1 to 10, 9.5. Ayun na! Talentadong Pinoy! Remember this! The Ultimate Dreamers! Woo!
Thank you, Talent Scout. Dreamers, thank you for your performance. Thank you. Relax na kayo backstage. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang action labanan ng mga talento sa pagbabalik ng nag-iisang talentadong Pinoy. May magiging kalab team si Rupa.
Oh, really?
Oo. Ferdinand, kaya pakita mo! Pakita mo!
At may magpapatulala kay Shalala.
Magkakaroon na si Shalala ng kulite.
Huwag maglilipad! Babalik agad ang talentadong Pinoy!
Talentadong Pinoy is brought to you by Alaska Creme Top. The creamier, the better.
Masaya ang maging daddy, pero hindi madali. Minsan, ako nagpapalit ng lampin. Di pwedeng matulog dahil kailangan magpatulog. Di bale, masarap naman ang kape namin Creamer namin, Creme Top.